Good evening, this is Keith All, and today is going to be a little bit shorter video, but it's going to be a good one because it learns you to be productive while working in Excel by using shortcut keys. So today I'm going to show you 5 shortcut keys that will speed up the work that you do. The first one, if you look over to the right, is Control Shift plus exclamation point, and what that does is it's going to format numbers with 2 decimal places. So let's go over to this column here. I'm going to select all the data in here. This is not a table at this point, but select all your data. Do Control Shift down arrow, selects everything within that column. If you press Control backspace, it brings you all the way up to the top. And now Control Shift exclamation point. You can see it formats numbers with 2 decimal places and also puts in the commas for you, comma separator. Our next shortcut key is Control Shift pound sign, which is gonna format your data as a date. So let's go here to this column. Right now it's in the general format. So Control Shift down arrow, Control backspace to bring you back up to the top. And now Control Shift pound will format your data into a date format. Our next shortcut key is Control Shift dollar sign, which is going to format your numbers in currency with 2 decimal places. So let's go over to this column here. Control Shift down arrow, Control backspace, and Control Shift dollar sign. As you can see, it puts in the currency format, comma separator, and 2 decimal places. Our next shortcut key is to indent data, basically text alignment. So if we go over here and do the Alt key sequence, Alt H5 or 6, you can see what it does, and I'll give you an idea on how I remember this. So if you look at your keyboard, the 5 is to the left of the number 6. So if you want to indent to your left, press 5. If you want to indent to your right, press 6. So I'm going to, right now it's not indented, this cell over here, so I'm going to press Alt H6. It moves your data over to the right. If I do it again, Alt H6, it'll continue to indent to your right. Now if I want to indent to my left, I press Alt H5. As you can see, Alt H5, it brings it back to your left. That's that. And our last shortcut key for today is to turn your filters on. So if you're in a data area, right now this is not formatted as a table, so it doesn't need to be. But right now, if I wanted to turn filters on for all this data in here, just select any cell within that particular range and press Control Shift L, and you can see it turns on the filtering for you. Control Shift L again, it turns it off. Today was a shorter video, but I hope these shortcut keys make you more productive while working in Excel. Remember to like, comment, and share, and please subscribe to my channel so you'll be updated whenever I upload a new video. Thanks again. Have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video.